Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we will discuss one of the important question of class 11 subject political science, and the question is, what is amendment with the consensus and amendment without consensus? Give example of each. Dear students, first of all we will discuss the amendment with consensus. There are a large number of amendments in the Indian Constitution that have been made as a result of the consensus among the political parties. The consensus made it essential that some amendments had to be made to facilitate the general political beliefs and desires of the society. In reality, many of the amendments of the post 1984 period are examples of this tendency. For example, the amendments contain the matter of bringing down the minimum age for voting from 21 to 18 years, the 73rd and the 74th amendments, etc. After this, the amendment without consensus. The amendments during the period 1970 to 1980 generated a lot of legal and political controversy because of the absence of consensus among political parties. The opposition parties during the period 1971 to 1976 saw many of these amendments as attempts by the ruling party to undermine the Constitution. In particular, the 38th, 39th and 42nd amendments have made the most controversial amendments and considered as amendments without consensus. After this, I had mentioned over here, amendments to the Constitution are made by the Parliament. The procedure for which is laid out in Article 368. An amendment bill must be passed by both the houses of the Parliament by a 2/3 majority and voting. In addition to this, certain amendments which pertain to the federal nature of the Constitution must be ratified by a majority of state legislatures. In this way, we have completed one of the important topic of class 11 subject to political science, that is what is the meaning of amendment with consensus and what is amendment without consensus. In next lecture we will discuss some other important questions. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.